Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I got this makeup look, and I just have to say that I was stuck in a rut makeup wise, and I just wanted to get out of my comfort zone and use a dark blue kind of eyeliner, which I'm using a new one by Wet n Wild. It is, let me grab it. It is this one right here. It's the Graphic Marker Eyeliner PROLINE, and it's in the shade AIRLINER Blue. So I wanted to test that out for you guys, and I have been playing around with it, so I've gotten a little bit better because it is a little bit tricky to use, but I'll show you my tips in the video. So please keep watching if you want to see how I got it. So let's get started. First, I'm going to take this Wet n Wild Poster Child palette. Looks like this. This is going to be the only palette I kind of use with the eyeliner just to make it pretty simple. So I'm going to take this crease color right here and work that into the crease, of course. I wanted this to be very, very simple and easy to like reproduce, so it shouldn't be hard at all. I'm just going to do it on one eye and show you just so it's faster. Then I'm going to take this shade right here, this yellow color, and work that all over my lids. I'm going to really concentrate it. I have like it really densely packed on there. And there's some fallout with this shadow, but since it's such a light color, you don't really have to worry about it too much. It'll just be easy to brush off. And I'm just going to grab one more densely packed layer of this on top. I'm going to blend it all together. And I'm going to get rid of all of that extra under eye stuff. See, it didn't do much. You can always add concealer afterwards just to fix it up. Then we're going to take this Wet n Wild PROLINE Graphic Marker Eyeliner in AIRLINER Blue. It looks like this in the packaging. This is what the container looks like. When you open it up, it's just this kind of thick marker, just like so. And so we're going to start by lining the lid. It's pretty thick, but not at the like top corner. It is super pigmented, so it's not hard to get this on at all. I'm actually going to flip it around just to get that thin tip so it's not too thick in the inner corner. And then I'm going to flip it around to the thicker part. And I'm just going to draw out a little wing and connect it. It's easy to be very gentle with this. If you press too hard, of course it's going to mess up. Then I switch it around so I can get that more precise thin line in the corner. I was actually pretty impressed with this. I've tried this look out before, and you just got to get used to working with this kind of shaped marker pen, but it's not super hard. It creates like a bold statement, but it's still super simple, and that's basically it. We're going to add mascara and then do the other eye. So I'm going to take my RIMMEL Scandal Eyes Retro Glam Mascara. It looks like this. I feel like mine exploded or something. I don't know what happened. There's globs of it on here. That's okay because I like really thick lashes. And now I'm just going to take a tiny bit of my Wet n Wild Mega Wear mascara and put that on the bottom lashes. I like the small bristle on this because it gets really into the bottom lashes. Okay, so to continue the look, I'm going to be taking this 738 Comfort Zone Wet n Wild palette, and I'm taking this crease shade right here and putting that on the bottom lash line just to darken it up a little bit and define it a tiny bit. And then I'm taking my Wet n Wild Mega Glow Illuminating palette in Catwalk Pink. It looks like this. And I'm taking this golden shade on the end and putting that in the inner corner. That shadow already has a sheen to it, but I just like to make it more impactful and bring the whole look together. So that's everything for this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really love how this turned out. It's super wearable, kind of subtle, but still a fun pop of color. So I was in a little bit of a rut there, and it's just fun to experiment and try something new. And I kind of really like that eyeliner. It's very pigmented. It's something you gotta get used to for the brush tip because it is a little bit thick, but once you do, it's pretty easy to use. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed, and like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.